Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today something came from Monthly Knife Club, and it's not in a box this time. It's in a little bag, a little cushiony bag here. So this may be the smallest package I've gotten from Monthly Knife Club, so I'm pretty interested to see what's in here. I think it's pretty safe to say that is not a fixed blade, and it's going to be a folder. So without further ado, we're going to open it up. I happen to have my SE sitting over here, so I'll open it up with that. But I have no idea what's in here, so it should be interesting. Ooh, there we go. We got something from Real Steel again. Let's see if we got our packing slip in here. There it is. And that's it. All right. Okay, so just a little refresher on the way the Monthly Knife Club works. You get a new knife every month, and there's different plans, so you can get anything from the Advanced to the Premier to the Ultimate to the Tier 2, and then down here at the bottom, that's what I get, the Onyx plan. So this month, we have the Real Steel S5 Metamorph frame lock flipper with S35VN stainless steel blade and gray titanium handle. Value $166 to $210. So that's another thing about Monthly Knife Club, is they give you a range of values based on what you could find it for on the internet. Every now and then I can find it just a little bit cheaper, but I've found their prices to be pretty accurate. So yeah, I like that feature. Of course, as always, there's the coupon code if you want to sign up for the Monthly Knife Club for any of those plans. Feel free to use that coupon code. There we go. So price for me for the Onyx plan is $119 a month. Then you add shipping on there, so it ends up being like $124, I think, for me. So if it really is worth $166 to $210, that's a pretty good deal. So there's some of the other knives you get in the plan. You can pause the video if you want to look at any of that in more detail. But I like the Onyx plan because you get one pretty cool knife, sometimes two. Like last month we got a folder and a fixed blade, which was very cool. So standard Real Steel packaging, and usually there's the sticker telling us the model and everything. But Real Steel has some very nice packaging. The boxes are like a very hard material, and then they usually are packed with foam like this. And usually you get some kind of certificate of authenticity, though sometimes not. So we'll see. So we got very thin foam this time. There's the certificate of authenticity, and then here's the pamphlet on it with all their other products that you can buy, plus it shows you how to take the thing apart and where all the parts go, which is nice. An exploded diagram, as it were. So that's pretty cool. Like that feature as well. Thank you, Real Steel. And never can get these things to go back the way they came out, but all right, there we go. So let's move that out of the way. There's our certificate of authenticity with the item number, but it does have some specs on there. So we got a blade length of 3.54 inches and a thickness of 0.12. Satin finish. Handle material is TC4, which is going to be the titanium. We got the S35VN blade, obviously. And apparently this was an October 2018 produced knife. So, and it is a flipper. So, all right, cool. So we got some specs there, got that out of the way. And they always give you these really nice microfiber kind of cleaning cloths here. That's always cool too, but there is the knife. That's a skinny dude. So let me move the very nice packaging out of the way. We'll put our cleaning cloth down. It says Real Steel on it, right there. And there is the knife, guys. So the handle length on here we didn't see, so that is, we can go ahead and measure that. We've got a handle length of about 4.5 inches, and I guess the thickness this way is about 3/4 of an inch. So it's pretty thin. That titanium is very smooth. It's kind of got a sandblast finish on it, or bead blast finish on it. Nice hardware. Nice looking pivot as well. All Torx bits, and you do have a hardened steel insert in there for your frame lock. I thought it said it was a liner lock, but this is definitely a frame lock. Very nice deep carry pocket clip. I love that. That looks really nice. Certainly extremely deep carry, so there's not going to be anything sticking out of your pocket other than the pocket clip. And it has a very small swoop up here at the end, so you can still get that in your pocket, but it shouldn't be jabbing into your hand either. You got a flipper there with got a little number on there. Let's see what that says. That says 690 on it. So I don't know if that's the serial number or what. If you guys know what the 690 means, let me know. But I'm guessing that might be a serial number. Alright, so very thin and very smooth. So it's not grippy, but that's okay. This is going to be an EDC style knife. It is, decently long, and you do have a decently long blade in there at 3.5 inches. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and see how the flipper works. The inaugural flip. Very nice. Yep, that action was cool. And look at the blade shape on that. That is very cool. I like that. You do have something printed here. We got the designer, and then we got the S35VN blade steel, satin finish, of course, as it said on the packaging. And then you got the real steel on the other side. But I'm liking the look of that blade there. You do have a very high saber grind on there, and a drop point, obviously. It's almost like a combo of a drop point and a spear point almost, but I'd call it a drop point. It is pretty easy to get a good purchase on that liner lock, or sorry, the frame lock. See, now now Real Steel's got me calling it a liner lock. I thought it said that somewhere. Maybe it was on here. How did I say frame lock? Okay, so I'm retarded. Sorry. It is it's a frame lock. So there you go. I must have been reading something else. You do have some jimping up here on the back, and that feels really good. It gives you really good grip on there. I mean, it's going to keep your thumb from sliding, but it's not so bad that it starts cutting into your thumb. So I really like that jimping on there. That actually feels really good. You can see that a little bit better when I get the camera to focus here, maybe. Oh, it's having trouble focusing. There we go. Maybe. There it is. So you can see it now. But yeah, that feels really good in the hand. Even though it's skinny, it still feels really good in that. I'll hold it with the right hand too. Yeah, that pocket clip is not a problem at all. It's not pushing into your hand even when I squeeze it really hard. So yeah, that's very cool, and the action on that is just awesome. It's obviously on bearings. Yeah, I mean, it just launches right out of there. Boom. Very little effort to push it. So we did the light switch push. So let's try the push button here. Right on out. Both work equally well, so you can do either one that you choose. Very, very nice. Yeah. Then you got that really cool looking backspacer. I've not seen one like this before, where you got the it runs the full length of the back of the knife here, but then you got these little cutouts, which is kind of cool looking. I like that aesthetic. No lanyard hole. So for you guys that like lanyards, you are out of luck on this knife. It's not going to happen. So I'm okay with that because I don't like lanyards, but for you guys that do, not so much on this one. It's really more of like a gentleman's folder, you know. I could see taking this out in a nice suit or something, you know. It has a very sleek and modern look to it, which you know, I don't really have anything like this, so this is cool. This is one of the things I like about the Monthly Knife Club, is it exposes you to knives that you might not have tried on your own or might not have known about otherwise. So yeah, pretty awesome. So let's flip it out, set it down here so you can see the whole thing, and then what I will do is get our paper out so we can do a paper test on this guy and see if I can get this on camera. So first cut, kind of hung up there. Let's see. I think that was more the user. I'm going to move my arm around on this side so we get a better handle. Oh yeah, yeah, that was me the first time. This is nice and sharp. Yeah, very nice and sharp. Excellent. The whole blade. I mean, from way back here all the way out to the tip, super sharp. So that is nice. That comes really, really nicely honed. So no problems on the paper test at all, other than the cutter, me. But I threw away the old bed catalog that had cut up a bunch, so we got a different one here. I don't think this one's been cut on as much, but we'll try some magazine paper. We'll cut up one of these things. I thought they called these the M48. There it is. Over here it says wickedly twisted boot knife, but whatever. Maybe we'll do one of these one day. I don't know. Let me know if you guys want to see that. But let's get the knife on the camera here and see. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. It's ridiculously sharp. Very, very nicely honed. I mean, just little tiny shavings. Little tiny shavings. Do some radius edges here. Radius edge. Yep. So, couldn't be happier about the way it comes honed from the factory. And S35 VN blade steel, heck yeah, man. That'll work for me. That's a very good steel. There are better steels, but that is a really nice steel. It's become very, very popular on the higher end Chinese knives. I've seen it before on real steel, and you know, basically all the knives we've been getting from the Monthly Knife Club that have been flippers, except for the cheaper versions, have been coming in something analogous to S35 VN. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that, guys. What do you think? What do you think about the Monthly Knife Club here? Pretty happy. All right, that's it for this video, guys. I'll have some more videos coming up here soon, so stay tuned. Probably have another one up tomorrow. Probably, we'll see. And do some more reviews. Thanks for watching.